Alam niyo yung alam niyo yung ano, nung bata kayo, pakiramdam niyo yung ano, yung sa bagong taon, yung countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yung bata ka pa, magical yun eh. Pero ngayon, tumatanda ka na, tapos ikaw gusto mo magpamilya. Ganito yung countdown. Asa na yan?
Ito, countdown.
Look. Kita ba par? 10 days to go. Saan ba yung 10 days to go?
Mamaya, ito, ayun.
Ayun o, tingnan mo, 10 days to go. 10 days to go. Darating na yung anak namin. Yo! Emery! Tagal mo, pre. Gusto ko na makita yung cute mo, eh. Ito, oh. May playmate ka dito, inaantay ka na ng playmate mo. Ano masasabi mo kay Emery? Ano masasabi mo kay Emery?
I was scared to miss you.
Ano masasabi mo kay Emery?
Bakit?
Wala daw siya masasabi sa'yo. Siguro pagdating mo na lang dito.
Oo.
Love you, boy. Kiss ako, boy. Kiss ako, boy. Kiss ako, boy. Si Emery kausap ko. Isa pa. Kiss mo ulit ako. Sarap. See you soon, boy. 10 days to go. We're excited for you. Tama ba yung grammar? Wala kang pake. Yeah, this is my first time na gagawa ng video para sa isang clothing brand. Though meron na kami dating collab. Picture, sample lang yun. Sample. Beyond Clothing, yan may pictures ako na nilabas noon. Then ngayon may bago silang design. And kinuha nila ulit ako as a photographer ulit. Then this is a new one, maging videographer. Now I'm not sure kung anong kalalabasan. This is my first time, so sana huwag silang mag-expect ng sobra. And we're going to use instead yung camera ko, which is the Insta360 Go 3S. Let's see kung ano pa pwede magawa na itong camera na to. Samahan niyo ako. Alright. Yo par! Dito kami sa walang hanggan. Sama ko si Boss Jai. Boss Jai. Boss Jai. Boss Jai. Beyond Clothing guys, bilhin na kayo. Ayan, shooting kami ngayon. Tutorial tsaka video. Ginagawa na natin guys. Nakaraan gusto lang natin, 'di ba? And then yun, sinuwerte tayo. Dininig tayo ng Diyos. So yun. Kasama ko kapatid ko. Yung kapatid is with me. Vlog ka ngayon. Vloggeries. Ngayon, tayo dito. O ano?
Wala, pumili ka ng ano eh. Yung nasa sabit sa ano eh.
Meron ako dito eh.
Yung nasa dibdib mo.
Oo. Wait lang. Ayan. Kung ano, ang bobo ko no.
Para nakukuha pati yung camera. Ayun.
Ano pa? May ano pa ba tayo? Para okay na tong spot eh no? Or gusto nyo tong ano? Ito, maganda to. Ito stairway.
Sabi lang pinto kami.
Hindi. Parehas na kayo dyan. Isa na sa baba na lang. Kaya pa ba umupo dyan? Buti, inuna natin picture. Ang init na. Silo kay par. pakita mo ng konti yung ano, beyond expectation dyan. Yan. Isa pa.
Ni kada yengida modi tapaka da kasu bana pata serra alala takana pesana patana wada penaga bad marina yeah darling guy yeah I'm swag got the goodie I got the bag but let you down I'm on the pack now the bad marina yeah I mean I'm the boss nanda yeah
Dami maganda dito paro. Kung sino yung gusto nyo mag-picture dyan, oh. Solid boss Jai. Saan ta Jai?
Ano to? Dulong Bayan.
Dulong Bayan, Japan. Dulong Bayan, Japan. Mali. San Jose.
Alam nyo na, saan kayo kukuha na ito? Naka-mention yan pag pinost to.
Beyond clothing par.
Easy to be pleasing me. So give me a minute to work out how I've been feeling. I said I did, but I didn't. The story still being written. You got no clue, this is killing me. This how it's supposed to be. Confusion running through me so endlessly. It don't seem so logical to decide that you're everything I need. I'm trying to keep my cool, but don't you see? I got a big mood for ya. I don't know what to do about you. I got a big mood for ya.
Alis ka na? Init par. Tuloy lang. Sabi nga ng Beyond expectation pre. Dream until it's your reality. Let's go boss Jai.
I don't know what to do about you.
Ito yung last. Oh! Jollibee na. Oh, sarap! Swerte! May pa-Jollibee yung post Jai par! Langag! I-vlog natin yun. Sponsor tayo yun eh.
But I got the realization that I'm chasing someone who ain't really vacant, so that's why I'm trying to pace it real slow. Let me take my time on you while I figure out what to do now. Don't seem so logical to decide that you're everything I need. I'm trying to
Basta kami gar. Gar.
Tayo.
Mukbang naman tayo, mukbang. Tapos na tayo sa ano, clothing. Mukbang naman. Mukbang na tayo par, mukbang. Let's go!
Alam mo na kung saan mo kukunin to. Check the yellow basket.
got a big mood for me too. No, you got a big mood for me too. I got a big mood for you. I don't know what to do about you.
Gutom yan.
Gutom ako na.
Gutom na ka?
Gutom ako na ka eh. Kain ako na ka.
Ay na ako bang. Hindi mo pa ako sa musikan eh.
Si Jowen eh, no? Nag-notes pa, no? Nag-notes pa, QC daw.
QC tas may pin. Malupit ka.
Malapit ka,
Ay,
Jowen.
doon kita pre ah. Malawin mo to, gang. Bili mo na to, gang. Bili kayo dito, gang. Ito pa.
Yan, clothing par.
Check the yellow basket. Nandiyan lang sa baba.
Tado.
Baka nyo, iba pang design.
Baliw. Okay lang ba tumauna tayo sa kanila kumain? Umalis si Boss Joy eh. kasi ito eh. Alis si Boss Jay. Paano yan, Boss Jay, kapag tapos na kami kumain? Alis na lang kami dito ah. Iniwan eh. Baliw, kahit kumain ka agad ngayon, hindi ka naman makakauwi agad eh. Antay mo pa ako matapos eh. Diba? Bobo ka ba, boss? Sige na, kumain ka na. Walang almusal. Yabang, model.
Yun yan. Sige ka muna.
Ha?
Loki ka lang sa FB.
Loki ka lang? Ako Tor eh. Wala pa rin. Kain par. Paano ba to? Kita. So yun. Hindi na iba-vlog. Konti na lang yung battery ko pa rin. Pagkain ko. Thank you sa pagsama sa ating vlog 2 and sa paunti-unti na fulfill yung mga gusto nating gawin. Yeah. And ito yung final results, and I have a permission kay Boss Jai. Shoutout kay Boss Jai, Beyond Clothing. Here you go.
I've been in the field, I've been going off. I've been starting deals, I've been making calls. No matter what it is, I'ma pay the cost. Why y'all make me sick, cause I know you lost. $1,000 trips, I've been taking off. $1,000 fits, and that's just the draws. Rolling up again while I'm in the gym. Y'all can never focus, so you'll never win. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Had to run it up, it's a habit. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Had to run it up, it's a habit. Yeah, I've been in my feng shui doing tai chi. Posted in the sand, where you'll find me. Yes, I'm in the breeze, feeling lovely, amazing. Sipping something strong, probably bubbly. Talking to a lane, yeah, that's new to me. Controversial conversations feel like Jubilee. 1B20, I'll take out the whole team. No matter what it is, I'll take the whole thing. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Had to run it up, it's a habit. Piece by piece, I've been stacking. Piece by piece, I've been stacking.